Here is a 42-inch Walmart ceiling fan. Not that old. I don't know how old it is.
2007.
Thank you. Okay, so it is quite old. But here's high. That close contact though. Here it is with the light off. I'm sure with you guys have not seen it with its original hugger mount. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing up there. Who knows? Here's the light on.
Hey Brian, your viewers gonna first look at the new fan.
Oh yeah, we got a new fan too. 85K223 with a round stator. Ferris State Bulldogs.
Yep. Only one missing vent.
Yep.
Not too often that happens down here.
Here's a low.
Oh, there's the others. Maybe back there. I'm coming with that point and plate Galaxy. They gotta see that one.
Alright. There you're off. Or low. One of the two. Hell, I can't tell. And it's all, that's low. Okay, this is off. Light off. Stop. Light on. Back the other way.
The high speed only, insanely rare pointed blade Galaxy 2150 with old style badge and pointed blue blades.
That's what's holding it on.
Yeah. Well, believe it or not, it does still have one cage clip right there. Just noticed that. That's pretty unbelievable. Yeah, the high speed only Galaxy. It's got nothing but high.
Alright, that way.
You got a whole other speed range to do on that thing yet, don't you? For the updraft?
What?
You got updraft to do on that, right? Yeah.
I'm doing it right now.
Alright, well, they're gonna get to see the 16-inch slats go then, too.
Here's high. Medium. And low. I'll wait for him to watch the third fan that we got today, which is a something Lasco. I think it's a 16-inch. Insanely rare. Here's off. Here it comes.
Many of you have seen one of these. Lasco 16-inch with a twist knob.
And a cracked blade.
Shh. Doesn't affect it, so it doesn't matter.
Yep. Well, that's it.